The 2026 Matilda Motorhome carries on the brand's tradition of comfort and creative design, marking a major advancement in luxury travel. Although there aren't many specifics about the 2026 model, prior models and public previews offer valuable insights. Summary: the fully molded fiberglass motorhome bodies from Matilda Motorhomes are well known for their streamlined looks and sturdy structure. It is anticipated that the 2026 version will carry on this legacy, possibly adding improvements in terms of both appearance and usability. Living area and interior. The interiors of earlier models, like the Matilda Euro, were roomy and well laid out. Among the main highlights were: sleeping arrangements include a queen-size bed in the back with storage choices all around. Kitchenette, furnished with a 110-liter refrigerator, a stainless steel sink, a grill or oven, and a 4-burner cooktop. Bathroom. A spacious bathroom featuring a Thetford cassette toilet, vanity sink, and flexible hose shower. Dining area. A cozy lounge dining area is created by combining a dinette and movable front seats. It is expected that similar characteristics will remain in the 2026 model, perhaps with more contemporary appliances and materials. Dynamics of performance and driving. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 413 chassis served as the foundation for the Matilda Euro, which was propelled by a 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine and a 5-speed automated transmission. This configuration provided a comfortable ride, with the Sprinter's agility being a significant benefit. With a similar or modified chassis, it's likely that the 2026 model will continue to be dependable and manageable. Features and technology. The 2026 Matilda Motorhome is anticipated to feature the following technological innovations: infotainment system, a cutting-edge touchscreen interface with networking and navigation features. Improved heating and cooling systems for maximum comfort are part of the climate control system. Energy management. Better battery storage and solar panel solutions for off-grid functionality. Convenience features include clever storage options, USB charging connections, and improved illumination. In conclusion, travelers looking for a first-rate mobile living experience will be able to enjoy a blend of luxury, functionality, and contemporary technology with the 2026 Matilda Motorhome. Although particular specs are still pending, the legacy of Matilda's exceptional design indicates that the next model will likely meet or beyond expectations.